What is up, everyone? Pete here with Go Designs. Want to walk you guys through starting phase 2 at this job up here in the valley. Let me walk back a little bit, show you guys what we're doing. All right, guys. So this job, we're starting phase number 2. Phase number 1 was all the columns you see up against the house, all the landscaping you see up against the house. The grass, the dry stack. There's actually gonna be a column there, so we moved those stones yesterday. But if I stand back here before I get carried away, we're doing an architectural walk here with an address sign. I'll see if I can show you guys some pictures of that. We're doing some column with column lights, more columns like here. The mailbox is actually going to get redone as well. And one of the really exciting things that we're excited about is the entire driveway. If you see the primary screen here, it's going to be graded out, and we're going to be doing a pavered driveway, which we don't get a lot of chances to do. Reason why we're so excited. So the entire driveway is pavers. The walkway that you see there is pavers as well. So pretty cool design, guys. There's going to be a roll lock of pavers, a different color, and then a different color for the pavers inside the roll locks. It's a pretty cool design. Grass that we installed 2 years ago looks good. All this gets re-landscaped as well, guys. So we have a bunch of trees, a bunch of shrubs, lighting. We're actually doing floodlights to the trees. Again, that mailbox gets ripped out. I'll walk over here. So we did the columns guide with column lights. We also did these pavers. So you can see there's step lights in the pavers, but they still all look good. Nothing's moved, nothing's shifted. Real cool design. So pavers all the way to the street. And again, different color from the driveway, so you can really see the walkway. All this gets ripped out, and we're here. There's a walkway of brick paver roll lock with concrete, rock salt concrete finish inside, which is pretty cool. So we always like to use different textures, different materials. You know, not all just one color paver. You know, paver brick. The brick roll lock is different from the actual pavers. The walkway to the street is different from the actual driveway. This walkway from this end all the way to that end is different material, different textures, guys. You know, there's depth there, there's color. You know, that's what we like to do, you know. As far as like a paver driveway, you know, it'd be one thing to come in and do just one solid color paver, but we're artistic. We're starving artists, if you may. So in the backyard, you see the front yard grass did well from 2 years ago. The backyard grass didn't do as well, so we're going to replace the grass for our clients. All these primary screening walkways, guys, that we did originally, they're moving into phase 2, so we're going to be doing concrete. Some of the dead plants and trees we're going to replace. You see some of the cherry rolls didn't make it. A lot of the stuff did, though, and is flourishing. So stay tuned, guys. We're excited about this one. You know, phase 2, actually finishing up the front yard. You know, we did the pergola accent here up against the house. So really finishing up the front yard, getting it to what we had envisioned at the beginning. Most of our clients do things in phases. But stay tuned, guys. All this landscape that we put in looks great. The column lights look great. The bricks up against the house looks great. Now it's phase 2, finishing up the curb appeal. Stay tuned.